Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of September. Okay, so the remaining September month. This is going to be a love reading between you and your persons. How do you feel? How do they feel? Okay, this is all going to be a love reading. Alright, so this is just a general reading. Okay, it may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest, as I always say. And if you do not feel that this is you or this is you can reverse the roles as well. There's not a problem in that situation. And let's dig into your reading now. Alright, so I have already pulled out the cards for you, Cancer. And why I have pulled out the cards before, because of I'm doing reversals as well, so it will be a little better for me, because the energies are really hard to absorb sometimes. Okay, so the how do they feel, or sorry, how do you view them, as is the Six of Pentacles in reverse along with the Nine of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Cancer, it feels that they you feel somewhere that they do not appreciate whatever you do, whatever other people do around them. They do not appreciate it. They are always like, you haven't done anything, I don't care, or something. They haven't appreciated it. They were never happy. They were always the takers and you were always the givers, and they love to take from you, to get gifts from you, get everything, attention, love, money, whatever. They wanted to get it from you, but when it comes to them giving it to you, it was not like that. This person of yours, Cancer, is a person who is actually showing you from outside that they are really happy. Okay, they are showing, okay, they might be going to different places, tourist spots, might be enjoying their life from outside, but from inside I really see that there is somebody who is very alone from inside. They have stopped, the wishes, their wishes are not coming fulfilled. It's a kind of a very negative environment around them. They have money, but still all they are focusing right now is on the materialistic things, which actually is not necessary always. Okay, so for them material is important, for them money is so important, but I don't see that it was so much important to you. Okay, so how do you feel about them is the Hermit energy. Wow, with the Two of Wands and the Lovers in reverse. Cancer, I see that you are already healing, or you might have already healed from this person, from this situation. I don't see you going back to the same thing again for the loss, or again for the toxicity. You are not ready. You are not planning anymore. There was a time when you used to plan a lot of things with them, but now there are no plans about them, about the relationship. I don't see that happening. So you have actually healed from this person, or you are in the process of healing. How do they see you, Cancer, as the Two of Cups? So they see you as their soulmate. They see you as a person who belonged to them, along with the clarifiers as the Ten of Cups and the Hierophant, both in reverse. Strange, because they view you as soulmate. They view you that you were the one. They knew that you were the one. You were like everything to them at certain point, but because of some kind of a family issue. Okay, so this might be a person who is trying to influence them from the family, from their family. If not, this is a problem with love thing. They have lost hopes. I feel that they have lost hopes when it comes to you. It's like they know what will happen. They know from inside that you will not accept them, whatever has happened. Okay, so let's see. How do they feel about you is the Hierophant in reverse, along with the Hanged Man in reverse, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Let me show you the cards. Okay. They feel that this relationship has been broken. Okay, they know that they have started to understand that this is the end. and they are not doing anything. I don't see them doing right now. They are not doing anything right now. They all they want is to get you back somehow, okay, to talk to you or you talking to them. This is something which they are actually thinking about. And because they know that you will not accept them, they know it, and that might be a fact, obviously. Okay, so your hopes, the devil in reverse. Wow, Cancer, along with the clarified as the Queen of Cups and the World energy. So this is your energy, Cancer. So you want to release this toxic relationship. You do not want to be in this relationship anymore because you are giving time to yourself and you are ending the bad things, whatever was there in this relationship or in the memories with this person or the photos of this person. Okay. Alright, so okay, so it's really hard, honestly, Cancer. So let's see, their hopes towards this relationship or towards you is the 10 of Pentacles. Isn't this just amazing? It's like you both are now at different places. You know, it's like you want me, I don't want you, baby. So it's that song. No, I do not want you at all now. Wow, this is the vibe I'm getting from my Cancers. So the 5 of Pentacles in reverse, the clarifiers with the 4 of Cups and the 8 of Cups. Their hope somehow is to get you back, but at the same time, when it comes to, you know, basically what is happening, that they know that you are not available for them anymore, and when if you will go also to talk to them, sorry, if they will come to you to talk to them or to just have a chit chat, you are not going to do that. They know it from their heart. They know that separation has happened, but still it's like, I know it's not going to happen, but still they're wasting time. You know, I'm getting that energy at that word, that they are putting a lot of effort, putting a lot of time, and they know that they are wasting time. They're wasting time to wait for you. Okay, so they know it, but still they're doing it. So we don't know, Cancer, what is happening. So what are your actions, Cancer? Is the 9 of Swords in reverse, along with the clarifiers of the Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups and the Magician. Wow, this is you. Okay, so I don't see your actions which are telling me that you are going back to them. No, it's like I release myself and I'm so happy. I'm going to sleep happily. I see that some or many of you have already healed from this thing, or if those who are already healing, so it's a great start, and you have actually just made up your mind that it's like it's done, this relationship is done. This is really very beautiful reading for you, Cancer. So their actions towards you is 8 of Wands along with the 6 of Swords and the King of Wands. I don't see them going anywhere. They are really not going to go anywhere. They want to communicate somehow. They really want to communicate with you. They are not leaving the place. See? 6 of Swords in reverse. They are not leaving you. They want you. Yeah. See, in short, this energy or this reading is telling me that you are not going to go back to this person, but they are still confused. They are still thinking of getting back to you, and what will happen if you say no to them, what will happen then. They are thinking a lot, they're analyzing a lot about this. Okay, so it's really hard to say, Cancer, because they want to communicate. They are not going anywhere because of the 6 of Swords in reverse. If this has come up in the upright, it means that, yeah, they are also moving away from you, but actually not now. they are trying to get in contact with you or your mutual friends or somebody who you might know, you both might know. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.